everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Kita, Saudi Arabia. Welcome back to my channel. Ganyan ko na itong reaction video ang kay H performance versus relation of the princess. Without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Go! Oh my god, ang lala nito. Ano ko yung kakantahin ni H? Excited ako malaman kung ano kakantahin ni H. Go! R&B Soul Prince nito si H. H. Obando. I'd rather. My favorite song, my all-time favorite song. Oh my god. Ako ba? Oh my god. My favorite song. Oh my god, favorite song ko to. Ganda ng boses niya. Ganda ng boses niya. Galing niya lumaro. Nilalaro niya talaga. Ganda, ganda. Ganda ng quality ng boses niya. Ganda naman ng version niya. Ang ganda ng version niya. Wait lang, tingnan natin yung kay Rachel. Ito na kay Rachel. Ang ganda naman ng version niya. Okay. Rachel Cabreza. Okay.
You've been hiding, never letting it show.
Ganda naman ito. Ganda na kanta niya.
And you're well on the way to the top. But there's something that you forgot.
Yes. Oh my God, ang ganda.
What about love? Don't you want someone to care about you? What about love? Don't let slip
Ang ganda ng kanta niya. Lalo. Sure na to. Sure na to. Piling ko si Asia ka siya ang mananalo ngayon.
only one to share it with you. You might need it someday. You've been hiding, never letting it show, always trying to keep it under control. You've got it down, and you're well on the way to love.
This is the Rachel that I used to know. Ito talaga siya. Bumalik siya. Ito si Rachel na kilala ko. Ito talaga siya. Siya to. Siya. Ano yung balibo ko? Wow! Bumalik na si Rachel. Oh my God. She owned this. She owned it. Look at that. She owned it. She owned it. Yes. Oh my God. This is the Rachel Capresa that I used to know. Siya to. Ito ang Rachel talaga. Totoo lang. Grabe si Rachel. Totoo lang. Natabang siya. Congratulations, Rachel. Oh my God. Pasok na to. It's either Age or Isaac and Rachel. Totoo lang. This is Rachel Flowers and siya pa next vlog. Bye.